In commercial construction, managing multiple projects, subcontractors, and shifting timelines can quickly become overwhelming without the right systems in place. That's where Red Team software excels. A robust, cloud based construction management platform designed by industry professionals to meet the real world needs of general contractors and project teams. From pre construction through project delivery, Red Team enables collaboration between field and office, streamlines documentation, improves visibility into financials, and strengthens control over the entire project lifecycle. It's built to replace fragmented tools with a unified workspace where every stakeholder can work from the same source of truth. In this video, we'll guide you through Red Team's most important features, explain how they benefit construction workflows, and show why Red Team remains a leading choice for contractors who want to build smarter, faster, and more profitably. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the pre construction and bid management. Red Team simplifies the early stages of project planning. You can issue bid invitations, organize bidders by trade or status, send reminders, and manage all bid documentation in one place. Contractors can also use the platform to define scopes of work, compare vendor proposals, and make informed selection decisions. This streamlines the vendor qualification and bidding process, helps you respond to project opportunities faster, and ensures you maintain consistency across bid packages. Another key feature is the project scheduling and collaboration. Red Team offers visual Gantt charts for creating and managing project schedules. Tasks can be assigned to internal teams or external partners, with automated notifications and progress tracking. Field teams can update status from mobile devices, allowing real time visibility into what's happening on site. This keeps all stakeholders aligned with project timelines, ensures task accountability, and prevents scheduling conflicts that lead to costly delays. Another key feature is the document control and change order management. Manage your entire documentation stack, submittals, RFIs, drawings, punch lists, contracts, and revisions through Red Team's centralized document management system. All files are version controlled and include full audit histories. The platform also lets you initiate and track change orders, routing them through appropriate approval channels. This reduces miscommunication, improves compliance with project specs, and gives you a defensible paper trail for resolving conflicts or claims. Another key feature is the budgeting, job costing, and forecasting. Red Team's financial tools give you complete visibility into budget allocations, cost commitments, actual spend, and projections. You can set up cost codes, manage purchase orders, and generate real time reports that compare forecasted versus actual costs. Integration with accounting systems like QuickBooks and Sage helps maintain financial continuity. This prevents budget overruns with live cost tracking, enhances financial forecasting accuracy, and supports confident decision making based on real data. Another key feature is the field reporting and daily logs. With Red Team's mobile app, field crews can easily log weather conditions, labor hours, equipment use, photos, incidents, and completed tasks. These daily logs sync with the central platform so project managers can monitor progress from anywhere. You can also set reminders for safety meetings and compliance reporting. This improves field office communication, reduces manual reporting errors, and ensures you have complete records to support compliance, billing, and project audits. So, why is Red Team a great choice? Red Team is more than just a project tracker. It's a centralized hub built to reflect how real construction teams work. Its tools are designed to eliminate bottlenecks, reduce miscommunication, and improve margins on every job. Because it was developed by construction pros, its interface is intuitive for field users and project managers alike. In 2025, Red Team continues to stand out by evolving with the industry. It now includes subcontractor compliance tracking, lien waiver automation, and advanced integrations with project accounting and ERP tools. Its mobile first experience means whether you're in the trailer or on the go, you have full access to everything you need. And for firms seeking transparency and professionalism, Red Team strengthens your relationships with clients by providing timely updates, organized documentation, and accountability from start to finish. So basically, Red Team software transforms how commercial contractors manage their projects, teams, and documentation. By consolidating bidding, scheduling, financials, and field reporting into one secure, cloud based platform. It helps firms deliver quality projects on time and within budget. So, if your construction company is struggling with fragmented tools, manual processes, or communication silos, Red Team offers a practical, scalable solution that brings everything and everyone together. So now's the time to streamline your construction operations. Red Team can help you do it. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.